Okay, I did it. So I had actually tried to upload a video like this the first time, but I couldn't because literally I didn't know how to get back to where I was. But I do now, so I'll restart everything. So anyways, this is to add your domain and hosting from Ion to your WordPress website. And if you're like me, you're technologically an idiot. So, I have absolutely no clue when it comes to technology. That's why my name on here isn't Sally the Tech Guru 103 or whatever. So, anyways, I got the idea to create a new design for just a different design for my website. So this is the guy I originally got it from. So if you're like following his guide, and you get to hear, like, if you didn't go through um, Big Gator hosting or whatever, or HostGator, whatever, and you went through Ions instead because it's a lot cheaper, then here you are. I mean, Ions, it's only like $6. So I noticed online there were literally no useful tutorials, like none. So I will show you, and without taking the most amount of time possible, I'm not going to go over my freaking services or anything, so we're just gonna get straight into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come to here. Actually, let me go through it one by one. So what I did is I went to hosting. So you're going to go to menu, hosting, and then what you're going to want to do is click here and type in APPS apps, and then you're going to go to the app center. So the first thing that you're actually going to want to do, I should have mentioned that, is, I don't know if I should not show that, but whatever. The first thing that you're going to want to do is, buy the thing first. But anyways, after that, I'm just going to click add new website, but you'll just, if you don't have any of this, which you won't, you'll automatically be redirected to here. So you're going to be seeing a lot of things, but you're going to go to WordPress and click install and give your website a title. So random site, I guess. And then you're going to click create website, and then it's going to give you an administrator login. And this is so important. Remember this. Actually, let me go ahead and show you right now. So this is this, and this is this. This is the main cheese. This is what you're going to need to actually, get into the thingamajigger. So do your login. Joe Smo, I guess. And password. But yes, it's not going to let me. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. I don't know if it's even not me. Okay, yes, I have to make up something. Joe Smo at 123. I guess uppercase. 23. Let me make sure I made that uppercase. Okay. I've read and accept the terms. I'm not a professional here. Yeah, never save that. So after that, you're going to click continue with WordPress, and it's going to ask you to select domain, and um, I guess I'll just assign this one. So this is why you need to have purchased, I think it was like a $4 package or $6, $5 package, but that's why you're going to need to buy it in advance. So yeah, you're gonna click it. This is mine, but yours is gonna look different. And then you're going to click sign domain. I really hope this doesn't break anything. Bet you it will. And then it's going to set up your thing. I'm going to delete that. Yeah, don't do that. But after you get done, you're going to log in. Actually, after you're done, oh, that isn't good. Okay, give me 1 second. Just kidding. I just had to click show more details. That would have been horrible. But after you do all of that, it'll take you here. So, yeah. And then you're going to click edit website, and this is where all the magic happens. And then you're going to click login. And then boom, you're going to have it. I'm sorry that this isn't like a top tier production. But yeah, that's how you do it. Like I said, I noticed that there were no tutorials. So, yeah. Bye.